My name is Neil McElwee. I'm the Director of Capital Projects and Estates in James's Hospital in Dublin. James's Hospital is the largest acute teaching hospital in the state. It's over 1,000 beds and has a footfall of over 100,000 people per month. My role entails the capital projects development management. That's the estates programme for any building work, demolitions, new construction works, refurbishment for the enhancement of patient environment. A major capital project that has been undertaken recently at the hospital is the Mercer Institute for Successful Ageing, a 133 bed unit with 7 stories, major demolitions and excavations and building work, and also in preparation for the National Children's Hospital we've carried out significant demolitions and excavations there too. Because of the building work that we're going on here, we're doing building in historical sites where you've got excavations and soil disturbance, which is bringing forward airborne contaminants. The most prevalent contaminants that occur during demolition or excavations is aspergillus. Aspergillus is an airborne spore which is in the atmosphere naturally, but it has got severe risk to immune suppressed patients. The challenges around the guidelines of preventing the nosocomial invasive aspergillosis to us as hospital managers meant that we had to go and find a solution. And that solution was to prevent what is a natural airborne spore getting into the control environment where a patient would be. To find the solution, we brought in Camfil. Camfil are on our site at the moment. They worked with us through providing solutions and advice. They provide us with the filters for our air handling systems, and it was most appropriate to bring in the local knowledge there. Camfil have been on board with us as partners, I suppose, to look at how we get the best solution. There is it's free expertise, if you like, because they got the skills, worldwide knowledge of the type of contaminants that are in the air and the challenges that we would have. So having that as a resource available to us was excellent. We explored and worked with them and their engineering team to get bespoke models created and tested them. We carried out a very broad analysis of the baseline studies in the areas that were most at risk to us, and we carried out a scope definition for what should be provided in those areas. The expertise coming in from Camfil, they had that experience. When Camfil came to site, they evaluated the scenarios that we were putting forward to them, and they had to go back to their engineers and look at prototypes and models that would work to suit us. Our own infection control team would advise them and their particulars around it, and our own maintenance engineering team would have an input as well. Camfil were very direct and open. They wanted a solution as well. There was something more than just a commercial issue, it was a relationship, and that partnership built up from that. The solution provided by Camfil included multiple different types of air filters. We had mobile, we had portable, we had fitted in components and air filter units and air cleaner units in sealing spaces and sealing voids. That gave us the flexibility for the transient type of nature of the ward relocations. So with 15 different wards being refurbished, we were moving patients and the equipment went with them. So having that flexibility of these different models of equipment proved to be successful. Since the installation of the air filter units, we continue to do fortnightly monitoring. This is a critical part in the healthcare environment with the type of cohort of patients we have at risk. So it's been proven to be that after the installation happened, that the level of pathogens has dropped down to well below the at-risk levels, and it's kept at that pace. The monitoring, the independent overview and auditing of the systems has supported what we've done so far. And it looks like we want to roll out the next phase of it. because of the next 5 years of building programs will require other areas to be upgraded to take the same protection measures for aspergillosis. If somebody came looking to me for advice on who to go to or how to deal with the challenges around prevention of aspergillosis, I'd have no hesitation recommending Camfil.